Fall is in full swing here in Arkansas, and with Halloween just a few weeks off, we decided to head over to Middleton Family Farms in Pottsville for an afternoon of fun fall festivities. They have a great layout here with lots of activities well spaced apart so that you never feel crowded, but you also don't have to walk far to get around. They have fun activities for young and old, from pumpkin tic-tac-toe to giant culvert races. Rubber ball super slingshots, slides, swings, animals, and of course, a corn maze. You realize we're gonna get lost in here. Our children won't, but we will. Please don't twist your ankle.
Maybe we should have just waited for them at the exit and been like, what took so long when they came out?
Oh, that's a great idea. So which way do you think your sister would go? You think she'd go that way? Let's go that way.
Off we go!
We made it.
I'll go find her.
We made it, but we're missing.
How much you want to bet she went back in to look for us? You found her?
Were you so lost?
No, that was my second time.
You came out once already? You went back around for seconds?
Kitty.
You a kitty? You're a kitty ghost.
Oh, I remember I was gonna ask, what is that?
It's a spider.
Yeah. This is a weird looking one.
A gourd. What type of gourd?
What's that thing over there?
Teepee.
Isn't that an old Indian costume?
Yep.
Look at the white one. I love white ones.
Why?
I don't know, I just do.
Okay.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Kind of makes me want to plant a bunch of flowers and get butterflies.
Right.
I have milkweed seeds, I just didn't get them planted this year, so maybe next year.
Finish the fence this afternoon and we can plant stuff and keep
The dogs out. Well, they dug up more stuff last night.
I know. What, you think it was left here?
No.
You can go inside.
What's the smoke for?
I don't know. Goes up at the top though. I don't think it's for climbing.
No.
Maybe it's just leftover rope from lashing it all together. But this was a convenient way for Plains tribesmen to carry their houses with them, because you look at the posts, okay? They could take down the canvas from around it, right? And roll it up, and the posts, just like we do with camping, right? It's just a type of tent.
Really huge tent.
And the top is left open because they'd usually have campfires inside for warmth. And it helped a lot that the weather had cooled off a bit. So we had the perfect mix of cool air and mid-fall sun. Admission was only $10 each. Under 2 and over 65 is free. And that includes everything but face painting, pumpkins, gift shop items, and concessions, which were tasty and perfectly reasonably priced. And what pumpkin patch visit would be complete without a tractor ride?
plant the squash boat with that. There's the animal grapefruit. That big stone.
All in all, we had a great time. What planned to be an hour's fun turned into a full afternoon fun family outing. If you haven't been already, you have a few more weekends to check them out, so follow their Facebook link in the description below for more information. This will definitely be an annual outing for our family.